Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and today I'll show you how to insert the SIM card into this device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is this SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device. You can find it somewhere in the box, and you can also use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the edges, and it should work just as well. So from there, you have the tray on the left side of the device right here. As you can see, once you push it in, it pops out. So there is the space for a SIM card. Place it in there, make sure that it's firmly in, and slide it back in. And as you can see, there's the pin for the SIM card, so it is working. So that is how you would insert a SIM card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.